I didn't hear it. Bunch of lies. You shut up. Piece of gutter trash.
I wanna. Nice. It's donut day, Edgar.
Oh, right.
That's why Roland's late today, I guess. He's getting donuts for everybody.
Is he going to Donuts?
He's getting the flea market donuts from the actual store.
You know what I'm going to do to those donuts? I'm going to look at them, and I'm going to put my ass on them, and I'm going to ruin them.
Oh,
nice.
God, that would be disgusting.
Hey, look, donuts.
Farts on cue.
So we got donuts on the way. Supposedly they're en route. And that got us discussing Krispy Kreme and their stupid light. And I think the light was fake. Yeah. And I think Anthony thinks the light was also fake. But these idiots are trying to convince us that the light thing was real.
Fake.
Explain the light thing for the people that don't know.
Real Krispy Kreme stores, they make the donuts in the stores.
Mm-hmm.
And so they would
So it's Dunkin' Donuts, so.
Dunkin' Donuts, no. Dunkin' Donuts, like, heats them up or something. They don't actually make them.
They make them in the back.
Time to make the
There's
donuts.
a donut
remember?
guy. Remember the
No,
time to
Dunkin'
make the
Donuts
donut
doesn't
guy?
make the
No, they make the donuts.
They just heat them?
So stop lying. Go ahead.
Krispy Kreme had
You're
like
lying.
a
You're lying.
donut factory looking thing that you could see through the glass. And so whenever they would make fresh donuts, a light goes on the side of the store, and that's how you know there's fresh donuts.
Ooh.
But we're saying they just turn the fucking light on when they want business.
Number one, you could taste the difference, and number two, you could see them being made.
Yeah, they're
But
going
if
right
you
down
owned
the
a
conveyor
Krispy
belt.
Kreme, why would you go, all right, well, we can't have the light on until the donuts are fresh. That means people aren't going to go into your business.
Because they'll still go in.
What about all the people that are passing by and like, well, the light's not on, oh, well.
If the light was
So
on, I
guess-
would stop.
Exactly.
Because there are more people
It's
who
a
would
s-
randomly stop.
I think it's a
because of the light.
scam. I think
And you can taste the difference.
Krispy Kreme goes, okay, look, this light thing, it'll work in our favor as long as we have the light on a lot. So so basically, like 2 a.m. when they know the business is low, guess what? Light's not on.
But
5 o'clock in the afternoon, guess what? Light is on. That doesn't mean that the donuts are fresh, and no one's checking up on this
If
shit.
you go in with the light on and you get a donut and it's not fresh, you're not going back to the store.
Dude,
Yeah, you will.
even a donut that's a day old is fresh.
Yeah, it tastes,
Also,
it tastes exactly the same.
It tastes
It's only a
thus-
couple of hours.
Thus, then it's a scam.
if I remember correctly, didn't you also get a free donut if the light was on?
I think so.
Yeah. So
It happened rarely.
well, you know, people would yell when they would see that. They would start yelling, "Fresh donut alert! Fresh donut alert!"
No one ever yelled that.
Terrible thing to yell that would be.
No
Turn
one would
everyone off.
care.
speaking of terrible things, I had that stupid nickel song in
Oh,
my head
yes. Yes.
all day yesterday.
Oh, did you really?
Yes.
I don't
of course
remember the
did.
nickel song.
What was it?
No,
I really
don't
don't
remember.
remember.
I-
Say, hey, what do you say? Give me a nickel.
Say,
Hey, what do you say?
Give me a nickel.
You ever just wake up with something in your head?
What have I ever not? Is the
A
question.
cock.
In my head, like a bullet wound. It's fired out of a fucking cock gun. Stuck in my temple. Yeah.
See a lot of other people buying into the light thing. Sorry, I'm not buying into it.
Well, you have to go
Sorry.
to a Krispy Kreme.
I want some old Krispy Kreme employers or employees, and they'll let us in on
That
the
light's
secret.
horse shit.
It's
That
not.
most
You
of the
can
time it was horse shit.
You can see them being made, and you can taste when
They
a
just
donut's
put them on
Matter
a
of
conveyor
fact,
belt.
just
The
after
old,
the
they
others
put the
did
old
that.
donuts on the conveyor belt.
And matter of fact, I'll go with this because this guy Matt goes, "You get a free donut with the light is on because they're making them."
Right.
No, this is what they're doing. If they're even doing the light thing,
I bet.
the donuts are getting a little old, so they're like, you know what? Turn the fucking light on. We gotta
You
get rid
can
of some
taste-
stale donuts.
Yeah.
There's a huge difference in taste between a donut
there's
that's
not.
just been made.
No, it's not.
That's the difference between going to a Krispy Kreme store and going to 7-Eleven.
I could take an
and
old
buying Krispy
donut,
Kremes.
ready? I can microwave it for 10, 15 seconds.
Yeah.
You're going to go, holy fuck, this fresh donut tastes
Freshest,
amazing.
bestest donut
We
ever.
should do that.
You heat it
we
up
should
a
take
little
one of
bit.
Roland's donuts and save it, and
There's
then
a
you can
huge
heat it up
difference, 'cause
tomorrow.
the glaze-
Not a huge difference.
The glaze would start melting
You're buying into the scam,
in the
sir.
microwave. A microwave donut doesn't taste like a fresh donut.
You're an idiot.
That's like microwaving a piece of bread and saying it tastes like it's baked bread. It doesn't.
You're
Ever.
buying in to a scam.
I've presented evidence and you have not.
People all come, these businesses come up with all sorts of ways to try to get you into the
Why don't
store.
you show 'em the
Well,
light?
obviously it hasn't been effective
scam.
because they're closing stores all the time. If it was a scam, they're not
Well,
doing
that's
a
a good
very good
point.
job.
Notice who's been really quiet during this whole thing? The expert.
That's true.
You
the
rock?
donut king of the Opie
Yep.
Anthony channel.
He can actually narrow down a donut to exactly the time of day.
Yes.
I'm gonna-
He takes a bite and he's like, These are 215.
Yeah, give me two of the 605s and I'll have an 1110.
Iraq, a couple things. Can you tell the difference between just a run-of-the-mill donut and a fresh donut?
Probably not. I don't really.
Thank
donuts,
you.
So.
Yeah, but I mean, you have to ask somebody who actually chews them. He just throws them in like a pelican eating fish. I'm sorry, you're right.
How do you get that incredibly soft body if you're not eating anything that's bad for you?
Yeah, you never
Every
say
time
you
we
eat
come up with
anything
something
bad.
you're like,
No, but I don't eat dessert style stuff. I
not a
eat
hint of
food.
a muscle, but he doesn't eat any dessert.
It's never any cakey
You don't
stuff.
like cake or sweets, right?
No,
Very
in
weird.
fact, I don't. I eat regular food
He doesn't
and
like
really
chocolate.
crappy food, but I don't eat like dessert style
Why?
stuff.
You don't like cheesecake?
I love cheesecake,
how
but
good
I'm not
is
always
cheesecake?
eating cheesecake.
How about chocolate cake?
No, I don't. I don't like chocolate.
How do you not like chocolate?
So weird. Chocolate, caramel, all that nougat. I don't eat any of that.
Caramel
Nougat.
rules.
What about an old git?
Oh my God, you're too much. Go to break.
We just got back. We can't do that. Trust me, I would love to, but we can't do that.
Hilarious. He just throws
You
it
know
to
what?
break.
Next time we do that, though, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Holy shit.
Here's another guy buying into the scam. You could actually watch them take the donuts off the conveyor belt. If I was
not
running
a
the
scam.
business, I would go, all right, here's where the new donuts come in, and I would just have a pile of stupid donuts in the back. And
Old
go,
donuts.
Trying to put these stale donuts on the
Yeah.
on
Put
the
the old
new
donuts on the conveyor belt.
Thank
right.
you.
But
Half
nobody
eaten.
would go
That
to your
doesn't prove
business.
anything.
You know why?
No one is going. That's why they're going out of business.
No, I'm breaking this down for you, Sam.
Donut liars.
I'm breaking it down.
Big
the
Dan.
fact remains you can't tell really the difference between a brand new donut and a donut that might
you
be
can.
just
Sure
you can.
maybe a day old.
Yes, you can.
So then you
Day
play
old?
with that.
Yes, you can tell the
Day
difference in a
old.
slice of
6
bread.
hours. Maybe not a day, but 6 hours
Day old.
old is an
You can
old donut.
completely
Day old.
Tell the
Nope,
difference
sorry.
between
Those
a
Krispy
fresh
Kreme donuts
donut.
just melt right in your mouth.
Yeah.
You know when they're new.
You 100% know when they're brand
There's
new.
no way.
I hate the way they spell Krispy Kreme.
I'm
It's
gonna.
fun.
The K.
K's.
All right, this
Maybe
be
you
a-
have no taste.
I wish there was another C word.
you guys are saying you could tell the difference between
KKK.
you could tell the difference between a donut that's a day old and made that day.
Without a
Krispy
doubt.
Kreme donut?
without a doubt.
I'll take that bet.
A
And
day
that's
old.
easy. We get a box of Krispy Kremes today, and we get a box tomorrow, and you're going to tell me the difference between the two
Definitely.
boxes?
Absolutely.
No fucking way.
A day old and fresh out of the oven.
And we got to
yeah.
work out the rules so you don't luck out and just
And you got to
pick.
tell me where you're going to find fresh
You have
Krispy
to-
Kreme donuts in New York City.
You have to
That's
do.
true.
You have
There's a
to.
Krispy Kreme. There's a brand new one on Broadway and 17th.
I got hundreds.
You made that up.
I got hundreds of dollars I'm willing to spend on this.
That's cool. I already took 2 of yours.
I know you did.
Where are you going to find fresh
Damn.
Krispy Kremes in Manhattan?
That's up to
Yeah, that's
you
the,
guys.
that's
to
the
figure
problem.
out.
The only
That's
New
not up
York
to me.
stores
I got nothing to prove.
in Penn Station.
You've got
There
money
used to be a
make.
lot, but they closed down because of the stupid light thing.
No, they were too busy giving away all their donuts.
Wait, is the one in Penn Station make them fresh?
I don't think so.
I doubt it.
Exactly. So fuck them.
They don't have
And this
room
guy's
for a
saying
donut thing.
this woman actually. The light just means you get a hot donut.
Yeah, it doesn't
Why
mean
else would
shit.
they
That
be
doesn't
hot?
mean it's fresh.
That's a sexual
They could
term.
be heating it up a little bit.
No,
It's
it's
hot
fresh.
now. Yeah.
Because
See? Hot
if you-
now. See, that proves our point right there. They
It doesn't
can't
prove anything.
They can't commit and say they're fresh
If
because
you
they know
gave
they're not
somebody-
fresh. But they put hot.
Hot now, yeah.
People are gonna think hot means fresh.
If you gave somebody a free stale donut, why would they buy a dozen?
because it's not stale yet. A stale
they're not
donut's
stale.
a few days old.
No, a stale donut is a huge difference between a 6-hour-old, a
No.
day-old.
I'm gonna be
fresh.
stubborn on this one, man, big time.
Well, you should go to a Krispy Kreme.
I'm gonna be
and
stubborn.
find
on
out.
this.
I
I
used
guarantee you guys can't figure it out.
I used to run a donut store, and if you spent $10,000, we gave you 2 free donut holes.
Hello, Edgar.
And-
How'd that business go?
Not good.
Roland will figure out the
$10,000.
donut fucking bet. He'll find a place where we could get fresh donuts 2 days in a row. One will sit for a day. The other one will be brand new, fresh. And I guarantee, out of 3 donuts, you can't guess 2
Whoa.
because you're gonna luck out on one probably.
The bakery in Scarsdale. You could tell the difference.
God.
Will you stop with those
They
shitty,
make-
almost upstate New York eateries?
I know. You're fucking
Those
in
fucking-
the sticks
they
up
make-
Yeah,
there.
those north of Yonkers dumps that you love so much.
right.
They make them fresh.
And Jimmy makes a good point, almost upstate, because a lot of people could appreciate some upstate shit.
No.
But you got to go a little further for that.
Yeah.
They make
Not
them
almost
fresh,
upstate.
and we put them in a bag. If you eat them right then, they taste one way. If you eat them in the evening or the next day, they taste
Here's a
like
guy-
they've been sitting all day.
I'm not listening to you, Sam.
That's
very
why you're
stubborn.
wrong.
Stinky bus driver in Nebraska is going to help me out. Stinky bus driver, go ahead.
He's a stinky bus driver.
Morning, gentlemen. How y'all doing?
Hey.
All right.
shit, I grew up in the South, and, when we were kids, there was a Krispy Kreme down the road, and, yeah, they got the light and all that stuff and whatever, but we'd jump in the dumpster and pull the boxes out that are a day old, and they're still freaking fabulous. Hell, we'd eat them to her out of our minds.
Dumpster
go.
diver.
He didn't
right
say
there.
they
There
were
you
the
go.
same. He said
He
they
wasn't
were
a
still
dumpster
good.
diver. They were still in the boxes.
No one's saying day-old donuts aren't good.
And no one
said
says
they're not the
donuts suck
same.
the next day.
You're not going
He
to
didn't
be
make
able
your
to
point at
tell
all.
the difference.
That wasn't the point he made.
Take my
He
bet.
just said his trash donuts were edible.
Yeah, of course they're edible. They're still good. They have frosting on them.
Take my bet. We'll
I'll
bet
take your bet, of
TVs again.
course.
But you're going to have to bring in your brand new TV.
No, I'll find it out.
No, you should be confident.
Yeah, so you don't have the confidence.
Well, because I'm not a millionaire who can afford TVs. That's why you have confidence.
It's
Class
not-
warfare. Class warfare.
After the
Right,
bet, you're
I'm
going to
the
have two
99.
TVs.
But if you're so confident that you could do this, then the money thing wouldn't matter because it'd be free money for you.
I have to be a lot
Right?
more confident than
Yeah.
you do.
No, you don't. I
Yeah.
took stupid bets when I had no money.
Then why'd you take the bets then?
It's going to be a stupid bet on your part.
To make some money.
Right. Thank you, Anthony.
Got to take a little risk.
Well,
Thank
first
you.
you have to tell me where the donuts are coming from and all this. I'm not going to take a bet that I don't know the rules of.
Why don't we
Because
make them? Why don't we buy a donut making oven?
then I would
See
take
if we
a
can get
bet.
serious to spring for that in our new studio. We want a donut making oven.
All right, this guy worked through his college job was Krispy Kreme. Excuse me.
Probably
Market, South
at
Carolina.
a college Krispy Kreme or a real Krispy Kreme.
Honestly, I don't even know if he's pro or against.
All right.
I'm just taking his call. Look, you can see for yourself. I have no idea.
Hey, boys.
What's up, Mark? What can you tell us on this discussion here or whatever? Yeah.
Actually, I worked part-time my way through college at a Krispy Kreme.
Braggart.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
But the thing is with the Krispy Kreme is they make donuts to sell for organizations for fundraisers, but they also sell them at stores. And what they would do when they would make those donuts, that's when they would put on the hot, fresh now sign. You would get the donut. The donut literally is fresh. There's no microwaves. It comes straight from the fryer. Now, this stuff is incredibly bad for you.
delicious.
It's fat, but it's incredibly fresh and it's good. It melts in your mouth.
This isn't even.
That's what he's
Yeah, from a guy
saying.
pretending he used to work
Thank
for
you.
Krispy
Thank you,
Kreme.
Jimmy.
This guy's calling. Hi, my name is Carl
Thank
Crispy.
you.
We're believing him.
Look,
And the thing is, and I
I'm
hate to say
suspicious
it,
of their business practices, but
Yes.
but the bet still remains that you guys cannot tell the difference between a fresh donut and a donut that's one lousy day old.
We should take a road
I will
trip.
bet a
because
lot of money on this one.
I mean, yeah, I hate to say it, but you sound more like Fezzi today than Opie.
Oh, man.
Paranoid.
Wow.
Mr. Half-cocked and going full steam and not knowing the whole story.
Boy.
Wow.
Yeah, but I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is.
You do. To the caller's
money.
point, you do have
Fezzi
no
just
idea what you're
babbles about
talking
nothing.
To the caller's
How
point,
many,
you have.
how many hot and fresh donuts have you had from Krispy Kreme?
Oops.
I don't know why you would say that
Jesus.
about
Why the
I heard
pride,
you.
dude? Why the pride?
Exactly.
You used to work there in college.
Yeah, what is your name? What is
Yeah,
your name?
man.
Michael Cream.
There he is. Michael Cream.
Of the famous Cream family.
Yes, of the creams.
This is Captain Hook's Fish and Chips.
Right.
What's that?
You used to go to Krispy Kreme in Syracuse.
Are you taking the bet or not?
Of course you did. Why wouldn't you? Upstate.
Aye, aye, sir.
Almost up. Oh, Syracuse.
Syracuse.
Yeah.
That's
Syracuse,
fine.
technically central New York.
Shut up. If it's between Toronto and Manhattan, Sam loves a bakery. Enough ready. If you can see fucking mountains, you're happy.
Yeah.
I like
Sam,
upstate.
You
you
can't see
really.
mountains from Westchester.
Oh, you can
Yes, you
too.
can.
It's a suburb. It's 20
Oh,
minutes
you
away.
can too.
Oh, I love Chatham.
Yonkers is Westchester.
What?
There's some mountains up there.
DMX
I've
is
seen 'em.
from.
Is it a borough?
No.
Sorry.
It's next to the boroughs.
BAP. Sorry.
Exactly.
New Jersey.
It's 4
some
minutes away
awful
from the
place.
Bronx.
Yeah.
Best pizza. That's in Yonkers.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah. It's at
fuck it.
Lucas's in Yonkers.
It wouldn't be in fucking New York City.
It's modern.
The city proper.
This next guy says Sam's right about the light, but 20 minutes after the light goes off, they suck. A donut sucks 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
You guys are crazy.
That's different. They don't suck, but there is a difference.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
so
that.
then maybe they go back to the donuts that are real
And
old.
that's why the bet is risky, because you're never going to give me fresh out of the oven donuts in the studio, because they would have had to get to the studio. At Krispy Kreme, they come out of the oven.
Have
and
you
then
eaten
they
them
hand
fresh
to
out of
you.
the oven?
Yeah.
How are they?
Paradox.
Amazing.
What kind did you have? I don't care.
They're not amazing. Donuts are just
Krispy Kreme remote.
Donuts are always just amazing.
If we can get to a
broadcast.
Krispy Kreme, I will take the bet.
From
Sure.
Krispy Kreme.
People will be riveted to the radios.
Oh, wouldn't that be great?
Will Sam enjoy his donut or won't he? We'll find out after we all hang ourselves.
Terrible. But this idiot's trying to say the quality drastically drops.
It does. You have
Within
no idea what
hours.
you're talking about.
That's dumb.
You don't know what you're talking about.
It's like any other food. Like if you have pizza sitting out for an hour, it doesn't taste the same way it
I'll
does
eat
out
pizza.
of the oven.
Yeah, but
Iraq-
you can tell it's not
Iraq
fresh
knows
out of
it's
the
not
oven.
out of the
Comment?
oven.
Iraq
Comment
knows
pizza.
pizza.
Iraq.
Iraq knows
He
pizza.
does know.
Old pizza is good, of course.
Cold pizzas.
Oh,
Does it-
cold
does
I'm
it
not
taste-
debating good.
Does
Love
it taste
cold
the
pizza.
same as hot?
Yes.
No.
No.
You're out of your mind.
No.
You're just making.
but
Now
my-
you sound like a
saying
fool.
no.
But my bet is you heat up
You
both.
sound like a fool.
You're saying microwave pizza tastes the same as pizza
No.
out of a pizza oven.
Pretty close.
You're saying we're going to
No,
heat
that's
up both
not
kinds
even
of
close.
donuts?
Pretty close.
You sound like a fool.
Pretty close.
When you get pizza from the place
Right.
and
Guys
you
know how to
open that
microwave
box up and start eating it, it's totally, there's no other time pizza tastes like that, no matter
It's
what
like
you do
a
to
donut.
it. I
Like
understand.
anything that comes out of an oven.
What do you
Anthony
mean? Now
is
you're
on my
on his
side.
donut side?
Yeah, I'm sold.
Anthony got it.
I'm done, yeah.
Fresh out of the
Yeah,
oven
I
pizza is a
got
very
him.
unique flavor.
He won me over.
That means you just want to move on. I get it.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing up pizza.
When you
Opie.
pick that up, it just drips in the hot. You're like, oh God, my pizza's so fresh.
Exactly.
Everyone starts doing the fresh pizza toast. You ever do that where you take your
Cheers.
fresh pizza
Cheers
and
with
you
pizza.
mash your slices together and you mush them like that to all the cheeses in a pile and then you slap each other with the fucking red dough? No? The fresh pizza toast?
Sam, what do you have to say to Eric who
I
says,
have an erection.
and he's a soldier, so these guys don't fucking lie.
I don't know why.
Why do you have an erection?
I don't know. I love talking about
Oh,
pizza.
you got a boner?
Nah, it's no big deal. What time are the donuts
boner.
going to get here?
Why do you have But why do you have to show
Jimmy's
everyone?
He's fucking got his sweatpants on. You almost fell out of your chair right there. You're all front heavy with
Why
your
do you have a
rod.
Why?
I don't know, Cialis. Once in a while, it bleeds into the next day.
It bleeds in. Here's a soldier. They don't lie. Go ahead, Eric in Indiana. Help me out. It's the only reason I'm taking your call. I'll be honest.
Hey, that's on price. Yeah, they bring us about week-old donuts to Camp Atterbury for our unit, and we just throw them in our microwave, and you can never tell the difference.
There you go.
What do they call what
Point
camp?
for me.
Camp what?
It's not a point for you.
Camp Atterbury in Indiana.
Point for
Camp
me.
Atterbury.
How do you camp at a berry? Why don't you eat them?
Yeah.
I mean, I think I.
I'm not sure about like Sam. Look,
Okay.
I was talking pizza.
No, you
Not
said you-
donuts.
he
You've
sold
never
you
had
on
a fresh
donut
donut,
because of the
though.
pizza
No,
thing.
I
You
he
made the
sold me
leap,
on
I
the
think.
on the pizza thing, thus thinking that
Thus
donuts might
then.
be the same. But
Thus then.
I'm
You
not
don't
sure
know
if a
it's thus
microwave donut reacts as poorly as microwave pizza does.
Have you ever microwaved a donut?
Never, but I have microwave pizza.
The glaze like drips off of it.
Sounds delicious.
All right,
No,
then.
no, no. Like it's off now, and it's all sticky and shit. It's awful.
I got a secret way to reheat the donuts.
What is it?
I'm not saying.
You know you
Paper
don't.
towel on top.
So you won't know.
Stick in your ass cheeks and jog and friction heats it up.
Yeah.
Gives it a great taste.
That's right. You fill your underpants with donuts and you run for a
great.
while around Central Park.
And they go into a sauna.
Cinnamon copper donut.
How awful would that be?
Yeah, there's a bunch of fucking there's side leg hairs. Like, you know those long side pubes you get? Right on the side of your thigh?
Doesn't decide if it wants to be a leg hair or a pube.
Yeah, looks like Crystal Gale hairs in your fucking donut. Smells like onions. Can I have an onion hair donut, please?
Toss up. I did some grooming recently.
Skin tag on
Yeah.
it.
Some grooming. Yeah.
Shave it off.
No, I don't want to shave it all off. I would look silly shaved off. You're a hairless little boy.
Yes, I am.
You can do that. I have to keep it tame, but still recognition of,
But still
that I
manly.
am a man with my
I'm a man.
fucking cock. I have to have a little fucking little hat over him, a little hair hat.
Nothing.
Well, that's you.
Zhong, 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 every day. Zhong,
I'll
zhong.
put the clipper on. I'll put the little fucking attachment on it.
Yeah.
Meh, meh, meh.
I shaved mine once, for real, all the way down. And
And then it just starts
look-
growing in, and it hurts because like a fucking you got a porcupine in your pants.
It just looked lonely. It
It's lonely.
It just looked like it was in the middle of, I don't know, a beach by
Yeah,
itself.
so
There
it's
was
like out in
nothing
the
around,
open, no
like-
shelter.
Like a cactus plant just lonely in the middle of the fucking nothing.
I felt like it needed protection.
Yeah, no protection.
It was just
It's
out there.
You know what helps
with
that?
its innocence.
Like the wolf huffed and puffed and blew your pubes away.
Right.
Yeah, you get a mouth on it. All of a sudden, it doesn't look so lonely.
Good point, sir. Good point. Remember we were talking about vending machines yesterday? There's 2 vending machine things really fast. Someone sent me a picture, and hopefully Sam could find it because I was lazy and I didn't favorite this tweet. But a guy sent me a picture of a vending machine where they had and I got to know if this is real, a tuna fish kit.
Yeah. It's in the back office.
Yeah,
What
we
is
have
it?
them here.
Yeah, we have them here.
What's a tuna fish
fuck
kit?
is that?
Where the fuck have I been living that I haven't run into the tuna fish kit?
It's a can of tuna fish.
But why are they
It's
calling
not
it
a kit. It's called a can of tuna
It's got
fish.
crackers with it.
Yeah, it's got crackers.
Call it a
Little
cracker.
thing, so you spread the tuna fish on the crackers.
That's all it is?
Well, we had it in
So
our
what-
old vending machine. I don't know if it's in the new one that we got 2 weeks ago for no reason.
That's got to be fresh.
Why do we got a new one for no reason?
Yeah, right.
I don't know. Why do we have new coffee machines every
Oh, there it
month?
is. Tuna salad kit.
It comes with mayo and
So it's
crackers.
just a can of tuna. How do you open up the lid?
It's probably got a
Probably
pop.
got a pop top.
Oh, just a pop top tuna fish can.
How do you drain the water?
Probably in a
You
sink.
drink
Yeah,
it.
in a
What
sink.
if you're not
It's
around?
delicious.
Floor.
It's just
Floor.
lousy.
Yeah.
It's lousy tuna fish in a fucking vending machine.
That's great.
They're just fancying up by calling it a kit.
But they got crackers and mayo.
No,
Oh, mayo.
You want one? They might have one.
you know what? It kind of sounds good.
It's a nice lunch.
It's just tuna on crackers. It's delicious.
Not out of a vending machine, dude.
I
Begging
folded
for it.
quickly on this one. It kind of looks good. So
Just
they-
a can of
They
tuna.
give you a little salt and pepper, just a little bit.
No.
No,
Nothing?
you probably have to get that yourself.
And then the other thing that we never brought to the show because we got really busy. There's a new vending machine that MSNBC was talking about a few weeks back. A mashed potato vending machine.
And gravy.
Oh my God, does that sound good?
It just spits out. It works like the old coffee machines we were talking about, where you put a container underneath
Yeah.
their little spout.
People are
and
saying yum or yuck.
potatoes come flying out of it. Potato flakes, and then your fucking gravy comes on top of it,
And it looks delicious.
and you just
I would do that in a second.
in a vending machine though.
I would. It's just.
I never liked any of those things that don't come in some closed thing. Even the soda years ago when I was a kid, they had the one with the cup drops down and then the syrup and the seltzer.
to make the soda?
Yeah,
Oh my God, how old are you? You're lying about
I
your age.
swear.
We're supposed to be about
You-
around the same age.
You
but
remember those?
I swear to God, you come up with stuff. I'm like, wow.
The cup would drop down,
And it would make
and
the
they would
soda?
because they'd have a bunch of different flavors in there.
I swear to you, I don't remember this one.
Because so they had different syrups in the machine, but the seltzer was just one thing. So whatever flavor you chose, that's the syrup you
Anthony,
got.
I'm telling you, I don't remember that one.
Well, child of the '80s. You remember
Child
that?
of the 80s.
I remember
that's right.
that.
That's right.
No, you don't remember the cup coming down and doing that?
I remember,
No.
Fucking.
I remember the cup coming down for other shit, but not it actually making the soda.
I
in front of
don't.
You.
No.
You can't find the mashed potato
I
vending
got it.
machine.
I'd always have an
Trying to get
anxiety
that video.
attack that it was going to overflow. Like it would go up to the top and it's like, it's still coming out, and then it would stop. And I
Were you amazed? Were you amazed how they figured that shit out right to the tippy
fucking
top?
amazing.
like,
Fucking amazing.
wow, that's pretty cool.
No, it wasn't back when they called it sarsaparilla. Jesus.
Yeah.
Sarsaparilla.
Sometimes I make believe I don't remember some of the stuff you talk about, but this one I really don't remember.
I
really don't remember.
I
that
thought like anybody kind of would remember that, but
one. I'm sure we could get people.
I do recall a lot of things though. I do remember a lot of things.
No, I'm
From,
I'm
you know.
sure it was a real thing. I just don't remember it.
Like I just saw the bumblebee thing.
Slurpee. Look at this.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, a little water down there for that $2.
Shut up and shove your face under there.
Serve yourself a bowl of mashed potatoes in a hurry. Push button number 3 for chicken gravy at no extra charge.
Oh,
now,
looks
I
like
heard
diarrhea.
that after a couple of minutes, it solidifies.
Did she
That
say
doesn't twist
chicken
my
gravy?
arm.
No.
Like,
I'm
I
going
would have
to
to-
say something. There are so many things that are going to come in fancy
Yeah,
vending
it's one of
machines
Bob's
like that
clients right
because of
there on
new
the left.
manufacturing
Clark Howard.
processes.
Yeah.
Trust me,
I
in
know
the next
Clark.
few
He's a
years,
weird dude.
you're going to have all
Went to
kinds
dinner
of
Where's his
foods
neck?
being made on site.
His torso is just superimposed on this man.
How do they keep a machine like that clean?
They don't.
And like
Singapore. What do you?
Oh, is that where it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you seen the pizza vending machines?
Yeah.
Sal
I've
just
heard
sent me
about
a
them.
link,
Yeah.
yeah.
I've heard about the pizza. How do they do that? Again?
why is it so loud?
I'm waiting for
Oh,
a
mamma mia.
Look at this.
Let's Pizza is the only machine in the world capable of making healthy and genuine
World.
pizzas using entirely fresh ingredients.
Really?
Once you have chosen your desired pizza among the choice available, the pizza is kneaded, rolled out, topped,
It's made-
cooked and served, starting with the water
looks
and
like
flour
shit.
in less than 3 minutes. Let's Pizza offers a choice among 4 different types of flavors that can be chosen
I like
each
this.
time
Yeah.
from a wide menu with an overall autonomy of 90 pizzas.
And I like the pizza, too.
Wow.
The system of payment accepts coins and banknotes,
Banknotes.
provides change, and is compatible with other
can't you
payment
just say
systems
cash?
such as vending keys,
What the hell's a vending key? You don't have vending
tokens,
keys yet.
Vending key.
or other means.
It's like a
Once
fucking
payment
thumb
and
drive.
the choice
Love
of
to eat
pizza
her
has
ass.
been made.
Yeah, fuck the pizza.
Choose from the 4 flavors of my ass.
Yes, they're sweaty, clean, needs to be shaved, and just made a duty.
The resulting dough, untouched by human hands, is then pressed and rolled out to create a 27-centimeter diameter
Centimeters?
shape.
How
Much
big
is
is that? That could be
No.
fucking the size of a quarter or a truck tire. I have no
I
idea.
have no idea.
That dumb
Look at the
centimeter
sauce
shit.
spins around.
They gotta figure it out. I gotta tell you.
This thing has to break every fucking 2 pizzas.
You think?
Yes.
You think there's a out of
At this
order
stage,
sign on it
Absolutely.
constantly?
Preheating. And
Yeah.
the topping process begins.
Process.
First, the tomato is added,
Tomato.
and then the
Tomato.
pizza is topped according to the customer's choice.
So it's I like the
Leavening is
fucking Dago music
instantaneous
playing.
and occurs in the oven.
Yeah. It's cooking.
Looks
You
like
get to
it's-
watch
In
it.
less than 2 minutes, the pizza is already in the oven.
And then the way they give it to you is you put your face by it and it smashes scalding pizza onto your neck. Yeah,
I love that.
A hand comes out and just mushes it on your neck. Sends you to the hospital.
All I'm thinking is, imagine being 5th online at this vending machine.
Oh, man, takes forever.
Fuck, hurry up over there.
Yeah.
Boxes prepared, in which the pizza
It
will
puts
be
it in a little
deposited
box
once
for you?
it's
Yep.
finished cooking.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
In less than 3 minutes, a healthy, genuine Italian
Healthy.
pizza is
Oh, that
served.
really looks bad.
Yes,
Guarantee
exactly.
total hygiene.
See, all that, it's
And
all
for those
fake.
who want to eat
The
their
pizza's
pizza
already
straight
made.
away,
They make it look like they're
Let's
making the
Pizza
pizza.
provides a very handy pizza
And then they
cutter.
open that door. Here's your
Oregano,
pizza.
Here's your pizza.
That was made a long time
I like how
ago.
they're saying that it's not touched by human hands. Meanwhile, rats are probably running around in that thing,
Oh, they're
shitting
nesting
all
in
over
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shit, a rat shit pizza flavor.
You can have a tomato, cheese, rat feces, and fly semen. If you'd like lava duty, that's extra. We've got bug hairs, bug eyes, and bug footprints.
Let's Pizza, the healthy pizza.
Let's pizza.
Let's
There she
pizza.
goes.
Be great if she did that and she just had a stroke and died. Just killed her.
Let's pizza.
I know.
I'm not
Cupcake
into
vending
it.
machines now too. You see those?
Yeah, fresh.
Fresh?
They
I don't
cook them
know.
right in there.
Takes a while to bake a
know.
cupcake.
I know there's one coming in New York.
I bet you they're all thrown in there like gumballs, and then when you press the button, one just rolls out and lands on the floor. It's all sticky.
Gotta
Part of
pick
the
it up.
cupcake craze.
Sprinkles Cupcake Vending Machine coming to Georgetown.
Wow.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
It's a touch screen, little like a fucking ATM.
The new soda
Ask them
machines
out.
are sick.
They're amazing. Those Coke ones.
Yeah, they got them in
Why?
like
What
Dwayne
makes
Reed
them
here in
amazing?
Times
Because you
What
can
do
get
they
like
do?
200 different kinds of soda.
Yeah, like you click Mr. Pibb, it's all touchscreen, and it's got every Coke variety. And then you click like Mr.
But
Pibb.
how do they fit that much?
Because I've seen it on a documentary.
On
Yeah.
CNBC.
They have like they look like ink cartridges.
Yeah.
These little flavor things, and they're super concentrated.
Uh-huh.
And so you just pop them in like ink cartridges. They just have like a lime cartridge. So now you can get Coke lime,
And what does it come
whatever
out
else
in?
Lime.
In
and
the
then,
cup that you buy.
A cup.
Right. And
No,
so
no, no, no. You have
See?
the cup.
I'm talking the same thing.
You
as-
have the cup.
You have
Look,
the
it's
cup.
a modern
How do you have a cup?
take
I don't
on what I
walk
said.
around with
Carries a
cup.
cup. It's an athletic
I'm not
supporter.
carrying around
You
a
buy
cup.
the cup.
buy it.
You take it out of your fucking pants.
Yeah, really.
We got it, Jim.
What if you just walk up with a cup?
Well, then yeah, you can
Yeah,
get
but
some
the
soda.
technology
free?
is not how to take the soda out of the machine.
Yeah.
That technology has been there. It's
Yeah,
a
but I
fountain
think it'd be
drink.
cool to. It'd be cool to go up to the machine with your own cup.
Yeah, you could have done that 30 years ago. It's a
Sounds
fountain
right. You're not
beverage.
breaking any ground here.
I thought that was the important part of the story.
I want to bring my own cup.
The important part is 90 as opposed to 4 types of soda.
So where do you get the cup?
That's going to go away soon too because
Cups?
bringing your own cups and
Cups
trying to
will
steal
never
soda
go away.
because
Are
Disney
you
World.
saying that bowl of soda is catching on? Because I'm pushing bowl of soda.
Let's buy.
Have a bowl of soda.
Let's buy stock in the bowl of soda
With a
company.
spoon.
Yeah, it's a really big salad bowl with a smidge of soda at the bottom, and you drink it mightily like you're Caesar.
What is Disney doing to
Disney's
eliminate
Disney's
stealing?
installing RFID cards in in the
Ron and Fez.
Yes, in the soda machines,
yes.
and then your cups have them as well.
Yeah.
So they know if you purchase that cup.
That's tracking you,
That's
man.
great. That's what you want.
don't
Retina
wanna be
scanners on your soda machines.
Yeah, who gives a shit?
Yeah, how about we use that for the terrorists?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the
Disney.
soda.
So
shit.
no more free soda.
Yeah.
Wow.
And they sell donuts 2 days old. There you go. Greg in St. Louis. Don't even have to go to them.
That's it. Is
Yeah,
donut
people
shop. so.
sell donuts.
Sure.
There you go.
Greg in St. Louis reminds me of a song when I was a kid. Do you remember Why Don't You Meet Me in St. Louis, Louis?
Yeah, my dad sings that all the time.
Of course he does.
God.
Meet me in St. Louis, Louis.
Meet me at the fair. I'll bring my androgynous awful son. That's the lyrics he puts in.
That sounds very gay. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis.
Yeah.
In St. Louis, Louis.
The fair.
Oh, this is a.
Don't tell me the lights are shining.
The Negro.
Who is this?
Shirley Temple?
No. Is this from
Mary
a,
Pickford?
Is this from a Broadway production or some shit?
1944. It just says from the musical.
Yeah, meet me in St. Louis.
I'll be out in a minute,
So it's
Who
like
is this?
The fair.
Judy Garland.
Oh.
A young Judy
Doesn't
Garland.
sound like Judy Garland.
Maybe it's Margaret O'Brien.
She's probably saying, why don't you boot me in St. Louis, Louis, meaning with heroin.
Who's Agnes?
No.
Was she into the heroin?
Agnes.
Why don't you shoot me?
Agnes Smith. It's Joan Carroll, you fucking shithead.
All right.
Me in St. That's getting stuck in my head.
Meet me in St. Louis, Louis. I always sang it angrily.
They don't sing it angrily.
What?
Takes away from the song. You can't do it angrily.
Why don't you go to the fair together?
Yeah.
There's no cell
You gotta
phones back
meet
then.
'em.
You imagine just meeting someone in a city at a fair?
No.
All right, I'll see you in 2 weeks at the fair in the middle of the country.
Yeah, with no cell phones or
Exactly.
anything to
No
find out where you
texting,
are.
no emails.
How do they know where to meet?
Yeah, I'll take a train. I'll sit in the food car for fucking 27 hours.
Just welcome to St. Louis, and you're like, all right, now what?
Where's the fair? I got to take a cab to the fair and meet this asshole
Possibly.
who might have fucking.
His name's Louis.
Who might be there at the same time I'm there.
Yeah, I'm hoping
Maybe.
Louis makes it to St. Louis.
How the
It's
fuck
very
did
hard to meet people.
How the fuck
Yeah.
did we do anything without cell phones?
It's amazing.
Impossible. It's impossible.
And this, by the way, wiped out of the song that was popular at the time, Meet Me in Ronkonkoma Pete. This one had a much bigger following.
Louis Beans, all right. Louis, meet me in St. Louis Beans.
You go to fairs, John?
Oh, Louis. Oh, it's so douchey. Every time I hear it, I cringe.
It doesn't get old.
Recon. Oh.
An idiot.